If an application does not appear in search in your iPhone, then there might be two reasons for that one. Suppose if I pull down the screen and if I look for an application Telegram, then you cannot see the Telegram application even though I have this app here. Now the first reason is go to settings here, go to apps and look for Telegram. Open it, go to search. So make sure that you have enabled this option, show app in search. Now the next reason is if you have hidden the application, then also it will not search. Now if I go to app library here, there is a folder hidden. I will tap on it and you can see there is Telegram application hidden. So if you want to make this application visible, then you have to put this application in the home screen. Tap and hold the app and select this option, add to home screen, and then unhide apps. Now once you do it, Telegram will be available on the home screen, and if I search for the application, I can see the app here. Thank you for watching this video. Please comment in the box below if you knew about this one.